So the Allied Health program here at the Mecosta-Osceola Career Center is really designed to give students the opportunity to get their feet wet in many different healthcare career fields.
What I like best about the Career Center is that they really prep you for success.
Things like massage therapy, sports medicine, phlebotomy, laboratory services, nursing, an array, and it's just enough to give the kids just a tip of the iceberg just to see if this is something that they're interested in.
I think the most important things that I have learned through the Allied Health segment have been the certifications it has given to me.
I like the opportunity it gives you to create friendships along the way because you meet people you wouldn't normally meet from different schools.
As of now in the classroom, I am even certified in CPR, blood pressure monitoring, opioid, first aid, and everything like that.
This is 10 times better than any course I've ever taken at my home school. And I originally started off hesitating, thinking I wasn't sure if this was the place that I wanted to go to, but I discussed it with my parents, and my parents were talking to me about it, and there's just so many opportunities here that you can't miss out on.
Well, if you're even thinking about it, it's just a great opportunity to learn skills that you use your entire life, and personally, it's a lot better than the normal schooling that I have.
In the Allied Health program, you learn so much stuff. I've learned stuff that I didn't even know were important, or things that were like even an option in the health field.
The Allied Health program is designed to set the students up for success as their senior year. So they have the opportunity to either attend the EMT program or the senior program, and at that time then they'll be certified through the state or national registry.